welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a ginormous squishy package for you guys. And before I start this video, I just want to remind you guys to go subscribe down below and check out my latest video that I will link in the I button. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So there are a lot of squishies in this package, so I'm just gonna get on with it. This is from Akimi and Lauda. They are a new squishy brand that you can find on Amazon. I do not have a link to their Amazon, but I do have a link to their Instagram down in the description. They are a new brand of squishies. Their squishies are so amazing and soft, and I'll get on with them right now. So the first squishy that I pull out is this snail with like a lettuce character writing on it. All of their squishies are literally so airy and so nicely textured. Next, we have this mouse and cheese, and I actually already have this squishy from the same exact brand. This package is actually from the same brand that sent me the last package that had this in it, so I'm probably going to be putting this into a giveaway. Next, we have this really cute galaxy looking pig. It actually smells like bacon, which is super weird, but it's okay. And it is super duper airy and squishy. Next, we have this beautiful polar bear, and it's wearing like a winter cap and like a scarf and jacket. It is so kawaii and adorable. Like, oh my gosh. And the squishiness is just right. Not too slow rising, but just the right slow risingness. Next, we have this owl clock. It has an ombre on the back, kind of rainbowish. And this one is so airy. It holds those hand crinkles so well. I absolutely love the texture of this one. Next, we have this Kawaii Dog, and it is super duper adorable. And super duper airy. Next, we have this girl in like, I don't know what this is. It might be like a dog costume. It's some sort of girl in a costume. Next, we have this jumbo pop-pop sheep. This is the knockoff version, so it's not real, but it smells really nice, and I love how pearly it is. And as you can see, it is so airy. I might be doing a giveaway with these squishies. I might make some of these squishies the second half of my 40K giveaway and also add in some Punimarus. Comment down below if you guys would like that. Next, we have this Koala squishy. It smells like bananas. It smells exactly like the Punimaru banana jumbo version. Next, we have this really cute dog, and this one smells exactly like baby powder. It's kind of a strong scent, but the squishy is so adorable. Like, I cannot even stress how cute this squishy is. And the texture is so nice. Next, we have this squirrel eating corn. And this one is a little bit creepy, but the texture makes up for it. It is so, like, soft. And super duper airy. Next, I have these two chameleon squishies. They are both chameleons on a banana. One is rainbow and one is like the more normal looking one. This is probably one of my favorite squishies out of the whole package. I know it might not look like it is, but the texture of this is so nice. As you can probably hear, it is super duper airy. Next, we have this super duper adorable cat in a mug. This is another one of my favorites because just look at that face. Like, oh my gosh, it is so adorable. Super duper airy. Next, we have these two cat squishies. They're two like Garfield cats dressed in a pirate costume and a Viking costume. This is like one of their signature squishies. If you go to their Instagram, it's like the first picture they have. I'm pretty sure this is one of the first squishies they made. And this is another one where the texture is so nice. Like, this is my favorite like textured squishy. Akimi's texturing is just so nice. Next, we have these two squishies. They are bears in Cupcakes. This one is like a brown bear and this one is a panda bear. They are so cute. Next, we have these three squishies. They are dogs in ice cream cones. First is this pink one. Next is this rainbow one. And my personal favorite is just the normal brown one, just because the texturing on the back is so sticky. And I don't know, I just really like that about it. Next, we have probably my absolute favorite squishy out of this whole package. It's these two macaroon looking things. They're either macaroons or like ice cream sandwiches, and there's a unicorn and like a hamster looking one. They are super duper adorable and really squishy. This one is like so airy. And the last squishy out of this whole entire package is this. So if you guys didn't know, all of their squishies come in these like orange looking boxes. And the last squishy is so they did give me the squishy for free, so I am required to review it. Pretty squishy, you know. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry if it was kind of long. I just wanted to put all of these squishies into one video. Starting today, actually, I'm going on a road trip, so I probably won't be able to upload that much, but I did get a Charms LOL package, so I will try to upload that soon. And yeah, bye guys!